We are back for day 2 of sewers, and I was completely joking the other day when I took a picture of this sewer riser coming up in the driveway. But apparently that is what we're hooking to, so seems interesting to me. So yeah, I guess instead of digging to the main, we're just gonna dig down, tie onto that riser, and put it clean out in the driveway. So we'll get set up and start digging. for the power. Alright, tracking around. We estimate up the duck rock in the front. It ended up coming back here. But for some reason, the meter to this house is right there behind it, so he's moving some of this dirt for me right now so I can dig the water line in. And I guess he'll be back Monday, kind of do the rough grades and move it around. And then I'll come in and put the yards in, which I'm fine with, because let him run over these big rocks and move them around with that motor he's got. But we're trying to get this one all bedded in so we can get our inspection. Get used to tracking more with the feet. And I am jerky. I don't have a lot of hand-foot coordination against it. Back for another round of I guess rough grading and grading. So it only needs the driveway, the approach, the front sidewalk, a back porch, the AC unit, and we got old Jeff stuff in the way. But yeah, for today I'm gonna start trying to get it graded and then get my sewer line backfilled over here that's in the driveway, and that stuff's just gotta go to the crap pile. But so yeah, I guess we'll start on. Hey, can you keep it down? I'm trying to film here, sir. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna start on this side right here, where I'm out of their way, get this cleaned up and get an AC pad built. So we'll get in the loader and start pushing this stuff around. some pretty good footage of cleaning this mess up, because I have my GoPro stuck on that pole up there, and I had Jeff kind of digging at the approach, and I was backfilling this. But this is the second time that my GoPro started doing, I don't know if it gets hot or what the deal is, but you just go back and look at it, it says repairing file, and by the time I got done repairing it, there was 18 seconds of like a 10 or 12 minute video clip. So yeah, here's you guys after then. So it's as good as I can do on this section, but now we'll try to set the camera up again and see if we can't get some footage of cleaning this mess up. I got that formed up for the crawl space. There's gonna be a back porch, but I need to come in here now and kind of cut a swell. So everything that they had the guy with the loader come in here and do, well, I'm gonna dig a lot of it back out. Yeah, we'll just kind of get it, we'll start cutting and kind of pushing everything over there towards that pile, and just kind of work our way around the house. So we'll see if the camera will work for that. Here's my new excavator operator. Are you gonna show us how to take the curb out? There you get her. Look at that Kubota power.
That's how you rip the gutter off the road.
Yeah, we're not worried about that. So they won't ever notice it. We'll be long gone by then. They don't power wash until like way after the fact.
This is real good on everything involved.
Yeah, it looks like it. Oh yeah, it's not too bad. The end of the, I don't know, this afternoon. I only got about half a day's worth of work in over here, so I had some other stuff to finish up this morning. But I started kind of cutting and getting my the swell and everything put in here. So I don't really get, I mean, I understand this got this field here, but they always set these houses just a little bit too low, and this was just a field. I think they based it off the road, but they put the road in too low. So they don't want the driveways too steep, and they don't raise the house up, which it still needs to be cut down more, so it's got fall coming out from the house and around, which therefore makes it low in this corner. So it's going to be lower than what the curb is over there. So then you're going to have a swell cut through the side of the house, and you can kind of just feather it out in the front. And then I got this side kind of dressed up over here. I think they're coming tomorrow to put the AC pad in the unit out here. And then the same thing, I mean, the water's kind of got to run in between them, but then it runs right down to the electric transformer because it's always on the property line. So I need to do a little more work to get it diverted to one side or the other of that. We'll see. We'll try it again tomorrow. And the GoPro struck again. I did a time lapse trying to cut this swell out. I think I got like 25 seconds of footage on that, so gonna need to figure out what's going on with the camera, because this is gonna make for some really crappy videos if I just got little clips and such. But we're gonna call it a night and pick her up again tomorrow. And as you can see, got a little bit of rain. I got this yard, I don't know, it's pretty close, but still don't have the approach, or they come and form the sidewalk up. Yeah, we're supposedly got like 3 or 4 inches of rain on the way, so this one's probably done for this week.